Hi all, today I'm going to be reviewing this multi-tool that I purchased from Lidl, which is a supermarket in the UK. It may also be a supermarket elsewhere, but I digress. It's a sub-company of Aldi, so they may also sell this. It's what they call a special buy, in the special buy section, which is normally at the back of the store. Paid $3.99 for it. It's got plenty of tools and cool features, including a pouch, quite a sturdy pouch that you get with it. It's not cheap, it's not tacky. It's even got a belt loop on there if you want to hold it, attach it to a belt. Nice button. So I'm going to be pausing the video a fair amount of times just to get it out and ready and stuff, but without further ado, here it is in its entirety. So this is what it looks like at the pouch. So it's good quality rivets in place there. Little tape measure, inches if you're a smaller man, and centimetres if you're even smaller. That's quite clever actually. I didn't actually spot the fact it had a tape measure on the side of it, but so this is quite cool. That's just to show you how it opens up. So you separate these two here at the bottom, and then it flicks out like this. It flicks out to look something like that. It's got a good spring on it. Nice pair of grips. Strong. And on the other side, you've got these little catches here. You literally press them down like such, and you can then bring things out. So let's open it up and have a look. So over this side, which is the right hand side of the tool, we have the obligatory bottle opener. Which is always a helpful feature when you're out camping. There's normally drink involved. Small knife. Screwdriver / bottle opener. A really sharp saw. Not sure if you can see how sharp that is, but here's the bed sheets. So let's see, look at the teeth on there. Great bit of kit for $3.99 rather. And on the other side, screwdriver / bottle opener. Nail file, because that's really important when you're out in the bush or whatever, or camping. A rather sharp knife as well. Get that steady for you. So yeah, this is the multi-tool from Lidl's for let's put that out there, $3.99, as well as the pouch you get with it too. Thanks for watching. I'm not really feeling that energetic, that's why I've been a bit slow, but hope you enjoy the video. Please comment, like and subscribe.